Okay, hi. So today I'm going to show you how you can create the Shopify Partner account in 2025. So I have already the account on the Shopify Partner. You can already see the partners.com partners.shopify.com actually. Okay. So I have since I have already created the account, so I have to click here and then I can create the account. So as a new, when you are entering the Shopify Partner account create, so you have to visit on this and then you have to click here and then you have to click on the sign up. So I have already the Shopify account actually, so that's why they're saying I have to create the uh, organization. So let me log out first. Okay, now let me click here, sign up. See, now they're saying so create an account on the Shopify. So let me go with the sign up with email, and now I have to put the sign email here. Okay, so let me put my on of the email. It's Explainerium. Okay, and first name should be this. Second name should be this one. Okay, the password, as you can go any of the password. So let me put the password here. Okay, now you have to click on the create Shopify account. So let me click here. Okay. As you can see, let me save it for the future. So now they're saying how would you like to get started as a partner? Create a create and set up a new partner organization, join existing. I have already the existing account, but I will not go with there. I will create the new account with you actually. So let me create here. So they're saying, what is your main focus as a Shopify partner? So obviously, you have to click here since we're going to practice Shopify. So obviously, you have to click here, build a new Shopify store for client. Okay, so we can practice. We can in future if we need, we can create the Shopify account on the partner and create the store, and then we can transfer to the client. So we can do the both actually. So let's go with build a new Shopify store for client. Now next, and where you located? So I'm from Bangladesh, so let me go with that. Now you have to click here. So let me go with the business name like the Explainerium. Let's go with the web because I have already the name, the Explainerium. I have already created the organization on the Shopify. So web Explainerium, the email is there, and yeah, whatever is there, let's move with that. And those are the optional. If you those are the optional. LinkedIn profile, Facebook optional. Like these are the optional. So if you want, you can put. Otherwise, leave it as it is. So let me put the job title here. So I can put like the first account, something, create an organization. So let's go. What will happen? Okay. So look, the organization has been created, as you can see here. So this is the one Shopify account we have created, and one there we have created another on the, it's called the organization. So in one Shopify partner account we can create multiple organization for the different client. Okay, and in each organization we can create multiple store. As you can see, I don't have any store yet, but I have to first verify the email actually, then I can create the store here. So let me verify. So it's a different mail. So let's click. It's a different browser now. So let me just verify it. Okay. Let me copy this and let me paste it here. So it's verified now. Okay. Now I can create this different store here. Look at this. The create the development store, and we can request to manage by client. So we can request to client for manage their account actually. So yeah, the next video I will show you how you can create the store under the Shopify. It's called the organization actual partner organization. So yes, next video I will show you that. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.